Namaste loves, I am Preeti, a makeup artist, fashionista and I also run a training program for makeup. So if you are interested, then please do subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. Without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm going to start with this Kryolan concealer in a shade Ivory, and I'm going to apply this with my damp beauty blender. Then to set my eyelid, I use this NYX Smooth Finish powder, and I'm going to apply this with this fluffy blending brush. Next, I will be taking both of this shade by Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette and going to create like a dimension for my eyelids. As you could see, I'm going to keep the intensity to my edge only. Because that way your eyelid could look a lot more smoky and like beautiful. Maybe it will look a little bit like a cat eye type of thing. So yeah. Then I'm going to take this maroonish shade and apply with this flat brush. I don't have like that proper fluffy flat brush. Like Real Technique brushes. These brushes are from Amazon and I don't know what brand they are from, but they are really stiff and like application gets little bit difficult. So if you could get hold of really good brushes, I will suggest of watching a review onto YouTube channel if someone has done it and then buying it. Next I use this dark greenish khaki shade and I'm going to apply this with fluffy angular brush. I'll keep maximum intensity to edge of my lid, and that way I feel like our eyes could look a lot more of cat eye type of thing instead of looking a lot more droppy. So I like this type of effect, and lately I'm trying to do my eye makeup like this because it's like a trend. If you could actually notice Instagram, there is this type of trend going on, like a really soft cut crease effect without using concealer. So that is what I'm trying to achieve here. For inner third of my eyelid, I'm taking this Revlon highlighter palette. It's in travel size. Maybe it's in travel size, but it's really beautiful. It is really soft shimmer shade, and if you have like a whitish or fair type of skin tone, then this may not work for you. Then I will intensify my edges right here, as you could see. Then we will blend out our outer portion because we don't want any harsh line appearing over there. Then for wing liner, I use this Maybelline gel liner in black. I'm trying to get hold in brown and also in red. So if you guys have any good recommendation, then please let me know. I will really love to buy those. As always, I will leave some of link into my description box where you guys could check all of this product out. But you could actually get hold of all of this product in Sephora and as well as beauty center. So if you don't want to buy from online, then that is one of the best option for you. To curl my lashes, I use this Maybelline lash curler. I got this recently, like a month ago or maybe like 2 weeks ago, and the quality is really nice. I wanted to get hold of something in silver or bronze. This is how I actually store my lashes. This is not the right place to store it. Then moving on to face, I use this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer in travel size. I'm trying to get hold of this in full size because something with a gel consistency work for my skin. I have little bit sensitive skin, even though I try to be little bit harsh with it. Then for face I use this Kryolan concealer in a shade Ivory and NG1, and I'm going to blend both of this shade and create my own color. I'm actually applying this with my fingers. Sometimes I use my brushes, but that way I feel like I apply quite a lot. So this is much better option for me. I like more of a natural finish look. I actually don't have those proper professional brushes which could help you blend everything out. But even though if I ever get hold of good brushes, I think so I will never forget my beauty blender, because this is so affordable and it helps you blend so quickly and gives you a lot more natural finish look. Then for bronzer I use this Hoola bronzer by Benefit Cosmetic. I got this from Sephora. This one is quite warm tone type of color, but I think so they do own more of cool tone type of bronzer, which I might get hold in future, because normally for natural makeup I personally like to have more of cool tone product on my face. Then I'm going to bronze my nose too with this fluffy blending brush. For blush I use this Smashbox blush palette, and I took that middle one shade which is like a pinkish tone color. My lights are not that proper, that is why you cannot actually see how beautiful that color is. But then the next shade I took for my lower lash line, right here, that shade is peachy tone. Try to apply with this flat brush, and it's little bit rough on my eyes. Then for inner corner highlighter and for brow bone I use this Revlon eyeshadow palette again, and I'm going to apply this to my brow bone, nose, cheeks, and like almost all over my face. I'm trying to get hold of more of liquid highlighter maybe in future, because that way your skin looks a lot more natural. I really want to do that maybe in future. So yeah, I'm trying to save some money for that. Then for mascara I use this Maybelline I don't know what mascara it is, but it is by Maybelline. It's really good. I mean, these bristles are quite small, so I actually don't have that many lashes. That is why application gets little bit difficult for me. So this one is not causing me that much of trouble. I kind of like this mascara. Then for lips I use this Bombshell Red by Revlon Cosmetic, and I'm going to blend this with my ring finger. I try to build intensity with this one, because somehow this one looks little bit more of a pinkish tone. Then over to the top I use this goldenish lipstick. I got this from Beauty Center. It's called Golden something like that. I'll try to find a link so that it will be easy for you guys to see. It's like a golden shade. You could actually apply this for your eyeshadow also. Yeah, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Also follow me onto my socials. Please don't forget to leave a comment down below what you guys want to see next. And yeah, bye.